In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail search operators to find emails faster. If your inbox feels crowded or it takes too long to track down one specific message, Gmail's search bar can save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling endlessly or guessing where an email might be, you can use simple search commands to narrow everything down in seconds. Start by clicking into the Gmail search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type the search filters that tell Gmail exactly what kind of email you want to find. These filters, sometimes called prefixes or search operators, help you search with much more precision than just typing a random keyword. One useful option is from, followed by an email address. This will show you all emails sent from a specific person or sender. For example, if you want to see every message from a certain contact, type from followed by that sender's email address. This is especially helpful when you know who sent the email, but you don't remember the subject or when it arrived. Another helpful filter is has attachment. Use this when you only want to find emails that include files. This can be great for locating documents, images, PDFs, or other attachments without digging through unrelated messages. If you're searching for something that was sent as a file, this is often the fastest way to narrow down the results. You can also use after, followed by a date and year, month and day format. This tells Gmail to show only emails sent after a specific date. It's useful when you want to focus on more recent conversations or ignore older messages that are no longer relevant. Just make sure the date is typed in the correct format so Gmail reads it properly. Another common search tool is subject, followed by a word or phrase such as subject.invoice. This will find emails that contain that term in the subject line. It's perfect when you remember the topic of the email, but not the sender or exact timing. Once you've typed the search rule you want to use into the search bar, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox based on the rule you entered and display matching results. As a quick tip, these search operators are most effective when you know at least one clear detail about the email you're looking for. With just a few simple commands, you can make Gmail much easier to manage and find important messages without wasting time.